While Snapchat automatically deletes your chats after viewing by default, if you feel particularly sentimental, you can opt to save them before they are. If you end up changing your mind, here's what you need to do to delete them for good. To start, open your Snapchat app. Then tap on your chat icon at the bottom left. Once your chat loads in, find and open the conversation in question. After you've found the saved chat that you'd like to delete, tap and hold it until a menu pops up. From here, tap on Delete and confirm your decision to delete the saved chat for both of you. You'll need to rinse and repeat for other saved chats. Snapchat's Clear Conversation action will not delete any saved or sent content. Do note that while Snapchat will attempt to remove your saved content from their servers and both of your devices once you do this, it may not always work, especially if both of you are running older versions of the app or have spotty internet connection. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Snapchat and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.